guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another all about subscription box. This is the one that's all about ... and each month it is a new theme. So let's just open it up and see what this month's theme is. So I believe that this is the November box. Oh my gosh, okay, there's a little bathtub on here. Let's see. November is all about rest and relaxation equals recharge. With the holiday season just beginning, I thought this would be a perfect time to include items to help you rest and relax, whether you are hosting family get-togethers, cooking, shopping, caring for others, or all of the above. Don't forget to make time for yourself. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax. Mark Black. So that's pretty funny because Colin was just yelling at me that I do not ever relax. I'm not very good at relaxing, people. You know, I'm one of those people that just, I constantly have a million things to do, and so I'm always doing stuff, and I'm supposed to be resting my knee and I keep not. So we'll see, let's see what's in here. Maybe it'll get me to finally sit down and stop. Ooh, this is pretty. A little bracelet, look at this. Isn't this a pretty bracelet? Here, let me put it like my scrunchie. Okay, here we go, okay. What do we think of that, huh? That's pretty, right? Oh, I actually really like this. Well, that's nice. Oh, is this a candle? I do love candles. Corner knob candles, Sea Island grapefruit. Ooh. I like the cute little thing there. This is cute, right? Oh, that is seriously grapefruity. It smells good though. I love grapefruit. It's just such a wonderful fresh scent. We've gotten stuff from that company before in this box. Let's see, this looks like bath salts. Yeah, Sleep Bath Salts by Oily Blends. I see what looks like lavender in there. I bet that smells, you know, that sleepy lavendery kind of a scent. Looks cute though. What is this? I would like to know. What is this? Looks like a table runner. Wait, oh no, wait, maybe it folds up. It could be used as a tablecloth or just like a little mat to hang out on. The material is pretty sturdy feeling, like, I wanna say burlap, but that's not what I mean. It's like a, not quite muslin. I don't know what this is, you guys. Let me, where's my thing of notes that actually tells me what everything is? I'm just actually gonna read this, okay? Let's see. Handmade organic Turkish towel. It's the first thing on the list. It's a Turkish towel. It absorbs water and dries very quickly. This towel will be great for the bath, spa, gym, or pool. Oh, okay. That's interesting. So you just use it like a normal towel. The towel will become softer and more absorbent after each use and each machine wash. Interesting. I don't know about that, you guys, but it does make a lovely mat. And it probably would be good by the pool or at the beach. It would be great for the beach. This is super cute. Oh my gosh. Now this is adorable. Look at this, you guys. You see there's bath salts, a little rubber ducky, what looks like, I don't know, a bath bomb or a shower bomb or something. Let me see. Oh, this is Relax Bath Salt and this is Sleep Bath Salt. Oily Blends Handcrafted Bath Collection Gift Set. How cute, and it comes in this little tray too. That's adorbs. Okay, so each set comes with a 6-ounce bottle of bath salts, 1-ounce bath tea bag, 1-ounce bath tea bag? Do you put the tea bag in your bath? Oh, now I'm totally curious. A bath fizzy and a rubber ducky. The bath products are made with pure Epsom salt, dried herbs, and essential oils. Okay, so the scent Relax is lavender, cedarwood, and lime. That sounds good. And if you don't enjoy baths, I know I've said before that I don't ever take baths, you can use it as a foot soak. Once unpackaged, the adorable wooden box can also be used to hold accessories. How cute. I almost don't want to open this because I feel like this would make such a beautiful gift to give to somebody. And since, you know, I'm not a big bath person. I have been trying to take more baths because I do feel like, you know, I need to relax. So what I do to entertain myself is I just listen to audiobooks while I'm in the bathtub, and then I don't get so bored. Because that's really what it is. I hate just sitting there in the bathtub. It's boring to me. I have a hard time relaxing, but reading or listening to a book, I can sit and do that all day. Anyway, well, this is super duper fun. What a beautiful box full of lovely, relaxing things. This box is always so fun, full of very thoughtful gifts. So thank you guys for watching. I will put all of the information in the description box if you would like to check anything out, as well as a link to where you can subscribe to the All About box. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!